ba siya? So at least introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Real Talk Barbs. Hi, my name is Erlinda. Ganun lang, kasimple. Psychology, people listen to you when they know your name. Because when they know your name, you're not a stranger anymore. Right? So meaning, the things that you're saying after that is they're being more receptive. Guys, this is a hack that I was able to get through for many years of content creation that I stumbled upon. That's why I'm sharing it to you. So, yun. The next is you need to hype the figure. So, kailangan mong i-hype yung figure na sinabi mo kanina. Kung si Rosmar, ano ba meron si Rosmar? Maraming pera, maganda yung business, maraming sasakyan. Because the more you hype them, yun yung end result na gusto nila eh. Right? So, this is how I hype.
Yes guys, ganito po dati ang mukha ni Rosmar. And right now, this is where she is. Sobrang daming pera, sobrang laki ng bahay, meron pang Lamborghini, at meron pa siyang napakalaking business.
Simple lang. Real world result. Huwag mo sabihin meron siyang 7 million followers, meron siyang 10 million followers. Who gives a fuck? Like, the hype should be real world result that people want. Kasi I think half of the reason why people wants to have 10 million followers is because they want millions in their bank account that follows that, right? So, cut to the chase, remove the fat, go to that hype na in real world result. Practical. Next is number 6, the T's. Sinusulat niyo ba? Or binibidyo niyo na lang? Binibidyo niyo. Don't worry, bibigyan ko kayo ng link. May GC ba kayo? Okay. So, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung script nito mismo. 20 pesos lang, joke. I'll give it for free. So, isi-send ko sa inyo. Sa mga pumalakpak lang. Okay, cool. Guys, after this, the tease. So, anong the tease? Dapat iti-tease mo sila ulit. Kanina may the challenge because you're trying to touch their ego and then you need to tease them. The tease is for them, kasi saan ang offer mo? Saan ang CTA mo? Thank you. Ang dami pa. Isa-isa lang. Hindi ko marinig. Saan ang call to action mo? Sa dulo. Sa dulo, di ba? So, useless ang lahat kung wala sila kung hindi sila nakapunta sa dulo, right? So, you need to tease them. Na dapat, yung pinaka-aabangan nila nandun sa dulo.
This secret is a secret wherein when I'm revealing to you, kaya mo din gawin at i-execute wherein you can 10x your business, or if not, you'll be able to live a life on your own terms by doing the things that you love. Yes, pwede ka nang mag-quit sa trabaho mo. And if you watch at the end of this video, ituturo ko sa'yo kung paano ito gawin. Ready na ba kayo kung ano yon?
So, that's the reason why there's 8,000 fucking registration. Kasi alam nyo ba na ang video is only counted on the first 3 seconds? So, useless kung first 3 seconds na panood nila. For sure, the registration was not 8,000. But the reason why it was 8,000 because not all the millions watched the video until the end. But higher percentage of people watch it until the end. You know why? Because there's a tease. Minsan may mga bagay na kailangan mong sabihin para abangan. Are you learning so far? Yes. Good stuff. Okay, and of course, again, I truly believe that people reacts more on negativity than positivity. I mean, that's just how life is. Kaya pansin mo, mga content ko, always, kala mo negative. Because that's how I lure you first in. Like, okay, negative ka. Sige, may negative ako dito. Then, boom! Ay, fuck! Positive, shit, positive na ako ngayon. That's how I do it. Because I'm very focused on the psychology of people. So, content creation is psychologically focused creation. Hindi chamba. Sabi nila wala daw formula ang pagiging viral. Yes, I agree. But there is a formula on a viral-worthy video. And I'm giving it to you right now. Cool? So, as what I say, people are basically inclined on negative things. So, you always have to say the bad news. So, si Rosmar, dito siya kayaman, stuff and all. But the bad news is, hindi mo kaya yan. So this is how I show it.
But the bad news is, not everyone knows how to create video content na maganda. Yes, maraming tao alam gumawa ng video content, pero hindi lahat magaling gumawa ng video content.
So, that's the bad news. So, ganito kasi yan. The reason why a person would ang isang tao sa'yo is because of the mixed emotion that you made them feel. You made them laugh, you made them cry, you made them sad, you made them happy, you made them excited. So in this video, hinag kita, tinis kita, tapos nagpakilala ako sa'yo, tapos hinag ulit kita, and then eventually, I made you say, I'll tell you that, sorry, there's a bad news, di lahat kayang gawin to. So again, there's ups and lows of emotion. And that's the reason why, yun ang dahilan kung bakit pinapanood hanggang dulo. So kung hindi kayo umabot hanggang dulo, baka boring ka. Joke. So the bad news is, what's good about the bad news is it gives people that roller coaster of emotion. Then what do you do next after that? You just conveniently put yourself as the guy. May bad news, may problema, hindi lahat kayang gawin to. Oh, by the way, that is where I would come in. Hi, my name is Real Talk Darbs. I'm a content creation expert. And then, that's the time na sasabihin mo na yung accolades mo. Sabihin mo yung talagang nangyari, ha? Huwag mong i-hype yung sarili mo. So I've been in real estate for more than 15 years. Alam ko na ang pasikot-sikot, and I have been able to sell to all different aspects and walks of life. So, and this is where I would come in. Hi, my name is Real Talk Darb. I'm a content creation expert. For the last 5 years, I have been a content creator full-time. I was an OFW. Hindi ko na tatapusin yan. Pero what I'm saying is, this always say, you have to write it, this is where I would come in. But there's a problem. The problem is hindi lahat marunong gumawa. The problem is marami marunong gumawa ng video but hindi lahat magaling gumawa ng video. And that is where I would come in. I'm the guy. Hi, my name is Real Talk Darbs. Conveniently, I said I am a content creation expert. The very problem that we have created earlier.